Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. This video is going to be really interesting because today I'm going to show you guys newly launched Mother's Purse turmeric skincare range. I have 3 new products from this range. So happy to say that this video is sponsored by Mother's Purse and I'm working with them in this video, but my thoughts and opinions will be obviously honest and my own because I have used this product and then only I'm reviewing it. And yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. So before also I worked with Mother's Purse and it is like my personal favorite brand. I really love their products. I've reviewed their hair care range, their other skincare products as well, and in this video I have their newly launched turmeric skincare product. You will get products for babies, you will get products for mothers and also for your skin and hair as well. 3 new products from this range. The first is this turmeric healing face wash, the second product is the turmeric night cream, and the third product is a turmeric day cream. And today I'm going to review 3 of them and show you the demo as well and what I really think about this product and why you should purchase it. So let's start with the face wash first. This is what the face wash looks like. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. This one is the Mother's Purse turmeric healing face wash, and this is where they have mentioned all the ingredients, all the description, everything, every single thing is written about the product right over here. It comes in a very simple tube kind of a packaging. Mentioned that it is a turmeric healing face wash. It contains extracts of turmeric. This is a face wash especially if you are looking for something for your aging purpose. This is a great face wash for that. It's a 100 ml product which costs for rupees 375, and I love the fact that this is so affordable. You get a lot of quantity according to the price you are paying. Especially if you have dark spots and blemishes, I think this is a perfect product for you just because of the fact that this contains turmeric in it. Is that ingredient which we all know is so good for our skin. So a very healing kind of an ingredient which heals your skin and soothes it really well. So this is what the product looks like. The consistency is like very gel kind of a consistency and the color is yellow. This particular face wash clarifies and renews your skin because it contains turmeric extract. It soothes your skin from sun damage, acne marks and blemishes that you have on your skin. It delays signs of aging. If you are facing wrinkles on your face and you want a youthful looking skin. Also, if you have dark spots, blemishes and if you have textured skin, this particular face wash is really good for that. This is what my skin looks after using the face wash. Absolutely feel how fresh my skin looks. I can feel like everything, this particular face wash just removed everything from my face. I was having a sunscreen and my moisturizer on my face, feeling a little bit sticky and greasy, and after using this particular face wash, it just washed away every single thing and it just made my skin feel so fresh. Now the second product that I'm going to talk about, Mother's Purse turmeric healing day cream, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And here you have everything mentioned, all the ingredients and everything about the product is mentioned over here. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. Here also they have mentioned every single thing, each and everything about the products. Even if you throw this away, you have everything written right over here. The best part is, as this is a day cream, also kept a UV protection. They use your SPF after using this product, but do remember that you are getting extra SPF benefit using this particular product as well. This is what it looks like. It comes with a stopper like this. Now it's a plastic packaging, but the plastic is not like a cheap quality kind of a packaging. Packaging is very hard and very good. 40-gram product which comes for rupees 475, and I think the quantity is pretty good. What the product looks like, I have used it, so that's why it's like half now. Is this mustard kind of a color which looks very beautiful, something in the middle of yellow and orange, which is like a turmeric kind of a color. Guys, the consistency of the product, so this is the consistency of the product. Cream texture kind of a product, feels so lightweight and it does not feel like you have something sitting on your face. It does not feel like a heavy moisturizer that is sitting on your face. It's something very lightweight and very beautiful. This particular day cream from Mother's Purse brings skin elasticity. It also delays signs of aging. It is very hydrating, very lightweight, and maintains the moisture throughout the day. And I love using it before my makeup as well because it helps me bring back the moisture after washing my face in the morning. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the night cream that they have. This is also contains a similar packaging like that one. This one is the Mother's Purse Turmeric Healing Night Cream. Here you have the product. The difference between both the product is it's a white color packaging and this one is black, as this is a night cream and this is white as this is a day cream, which I think is quite interesting because both of them look very similar, so it will be easier for you to understand which one is the night cream. And this is what the packaging again looks like. It comes with a stopper like this. Quantity of the product is this one. It is also half because I used it already, and yeah, this is what it looks like. A little bit thick and I love that. Something between cream and gel, and it is very moisturizing, especially during the night time. Our skin actually needs a lot of moisture. Actually for us, I use makeup all the time. I wash my face all the time, like regularly. I have to wash my face again and again, so I think this kind of moisturizer is really good for me, as this is like very moisturizing. That it is healing my skin somewhere because I can feel that sensation on my skin, sensitivity on my cheeks, but after applying this particular product I do feel like it is healing it really well. The key ingredient in this particular night cream is turmeric, saffron oil, vitamin E oil, and all this kind of essential oil which brings back the hydration. It is also a very non-sticky kind of a formula. It improves uneven skin tone, soothes and moisture your skin, and also repairs textured skin as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.